Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and today in this video I will give you a short demo of SAP login module. This module is a part of standard module of Tosca and this module is located inside standard modules, T-Box X Engines, SAP, then SAP login. So SAP login can be steered by using this module. Now I will show you how we can use this module. So for this I will drag and drop this module inside the test case section. And here I can give the name of test case as SAP login. Now here, if I expand this SAP login test step, you can see different attributes are there. One is client and next is user, then password, language, and there is an enter button is there. So we'll discuss this one by one. So first client. So here we can provide the desired client. In my case, it is 800. So I'm providing this 800 as a value. Now here we can provide the username. So in my case, this is my username, and then in the password field, you can provide the password. And in the language field, we can provide the desired language. For example, I am providing English, so I need to mention in this way, and enter, I need to click. So in this way, we can define the value of this attribute. Now if I right click and run this test case, so now we can see what happened actually. So you can see it is successfully enter and it's successfully login. And in the test case section, in this you can see this is test case is successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.